A couple of days ago, a friend of mine shared with me this article, How to Stop AI from Hallucinating. One of the techniques mentioned in this article is chain of verification here, which essentially including four different steps where you can get the raw response from the AI first, then let the AI dynamically generate a list of verification questions that will analyze whether there are any mistakes, and for each question, the AI will answer the question for you to do the self evaluation, and then it will revise the response based on all the verification results. There is actually also a research paper discussing this topic too. I think it's a very straightforward yet interesting approach. This chain of verification technique, if implemented manually, could be quite daunting and time consuming because you have to put in the prompts over and over again. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can build a multi-agent workflow to automate this entire process that you can reuse for different queries easily. To build multi-agent workflows, I'm gonna use MindPal.io, a platform where you can build AI agents and multi-agent workflows to automate tasks. To start a new AI workflow, simply head to this workflows page and click New Workflow. The good thing about MyPad.io is that you do not have to do the manual setup of AI workflows initially. All you need to do is describe what kind of workflow you need here, and MyPad will handle the initial setup for you. In this case, we are looking for an AI workflow that, given a query, it will generate a raw response first, then it will generate a list of three verification questions that will analyze whether there are any mistakes in the original response. Then, for each of the verification, it will answer the question, and then it will generate a response based on the verification results. Now, let's click Generate with AI, and an AI workflow will emerge like this. With this AI workflow, it will take in a query from us. So I'm gonna delete this input, and it will execute four steps. First, it will generate a raw response for the given query. Then it will generate verification questions. Then it will help answer each of the verification questions as well as generate the final response here. This workflow looks good enough, so let's save it. And we would be redirected to the AI workflow builder on MyPal, where you can make further adjustments to this setup if necessary. Essentially, it will ask for user input, a query that it will answer. Then, in the first step, it will generate a raw response based on the given query. Then, it in the next step, generate verification questions. It will create a list of three verification questions that will help analyze the original response here for this query for accuracy, relevance, and completeness. Then it will answer all of the verification questions based on the original query and the original response. And with these verification results, it will generate the final response for us. Now, this AI workflow looks pretty good, so let's start a new run to see it in action. Let me try. Ask it, what are the names of the CEOs of US based companies who were Indian origin? Let's click Start. And this AI workflow will first generate a response for us, then it will generate verification questions. So, are they currently serving as CEOs? Are they focused on CEOs of US based companies? Or are there any other notable CEOs that are not yet mentioned? And then it will answer each of the verification questions like this. And then it generates the final response. And as you can see, With this AI workflow, I have automated the process of chain of verification. And now I can reuse this AI workflow over and over again for different queries. I can just start a new run, provide a query here, and get a response from the AI following the chain of verification technique automatically. I will share with you the link to this chain of verification AI workflow in the video description for you to try it out for yourself and duplicate it to your own workspace for further customization if needed. For now, please take care and I will see you in my next videos.